Jesus, this is not good. I'm out here in Glenview and we got a big siding, all weather shield windows. So we stripped all the siding off the house. And what we came to find is the entire house is covered in pink foam with no plywood. Plywood was only on the exterior corners of the house. We now had about 200 sheets, a half-inch plywood sent out to the house because we now have to resheet the entire house so that we can install all the siding and stucco board and everything that needs to happen. That's a big surprise. These are the types of things that you just never know are gonna pop up until you start tearing apart the house. Fortunately, we were able to wrap the house, keep it protected, and then we're gonna reskin it, and then we'll be able to go forward. But these are the types of things that, man, you just never see coming. But hey, check out these windows. These are weather shield windows. Whew, these look so beautiful. I really like it. This is a full pane of glass. It's not separate pieces, but it's made to look that way. And then we got these nice grills on here. It's coming out really nice. We're also doing 2 bathrooms inside this house, so I'll take you upstairs and show you what those look like. Here's our big old primary bathroom. We stripped this whole thing down, but here's what I wanted to show you. See? Pink foam, pink foam. It's everywhere. The original builder only put plywood 4 feet out of each corner and then put foam the rest of the way. What we have here, this is gonna be a wall of glass. And then inside here is gonna be a shower, and we're gonna have we already got our tub in here, but it's protected, so I'm not gonna undo that. 2 shower valves, big skylight, and 2 really nice sized vanities. So we got a vanity and another vanity. This over here, this is gonna be where the toilet's gonna be. All right, let me get a medium coffee, cream and sugar, and 2 egg and cheese wake-up wraps.
That'll be all for you?
That's it.
Thank you.
I feel like I haven't been here in weeks. Oh, damn. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this. So when I was last here, this is still an exterior wall. Now we've gone ahead, check out this beam. We put this big beam to carry the entire load of the 2nd floor and the roof. Let's go upstairs. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so now we've got our big bedroom. We've got our roof framed in. New roof, old roof. New roof, old roof. We got a nice window. Check out the view. New closet. This was 2 bedrooms, this side of the house over here. And now we got 2 smaller bedrooms. We're gonna have a closet. Oh man, this is cool. We still have to frame in right here for a bathroom. But yeah, extending the ceiling over here, no big deal. We did have to create a little bit of a hip on this side. But all right, yes. Well, this is when the momentum starts, so let's go outside. Oh, we get outside. We gotta go this way. This ceiling, by the way, major problems. We've got this section right here. Check this out. Just a box, no hangers. Just chilling up in there. So this whole side of the floor is sagging pretty bad. We gotta fix that. Look at all the garbage. Crazy. Ugh. I remember climbing over all this lumber. Now there's like barely anything left. Look at that. Man, it felt like just like a couple of weeks ago, there was nothing. Now we got this whole thing looking sweet. All right, well, that puts me at my ease before my day actually gets started. On to the next one. We got a new house going up in Highland Park, and it's really cool. It's ultra contemporary. Just got done through the framing section, and we're starting on mechanicals, things of that nature right now. So I want to go out there and check it out. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Fire and sprinklers here. Let's start with the exterior. We'll go inside in a second and I'll show you how this kitchen just sets up so beautifully on this house with these big windows. As you come around the backside, we've sheeted the entire house in zip sheeting. This is a great system for brand new construction. Keeps everything really airtight. Just a really nice way to go. Uh-oh. We got more glass. I'm telling you, this place is so cool. Wait till we go inside. More glass. We got so many windows on this house. It's just, but look at the view. Can you imagine waking up to that every day? It's just gonna be so awesome. So awesome. Let's go inside. Now, as you come inside, you'll see that this entire room is vaulted to the second floor. And what's really cool about that is it really makes the place feel wide open. And then when you incorporate all of these wide windows into what will soon be the kitchen, it's really gonna set this place up for success. You'll be able to have this beautiful view. We have this beautiful island right here, backdropped with stove, refrigerators. It's really gonna be cool. Because this roof and this ridge beam is gonna carry some serious weight, we gotta put the steel. We got a steel beam that carries the ridge on both sides, and then that's gonna go down into the basement. This right here is actually a door. Now, this is a system built by Weather Shield. It's their high-end contemporary View series, and what I like about it is it has a very minimal frame on the windows. And then this whole thing will just slide open out to a beautiful patio. What's unique about this home is that it is a ranch house. It's all on one floor. So this is very common right now, is we're doing a lot of this kind of ranch home style construction because people are wanting to age in place, and it's just part of that process. Because we have these very long spans in the home, we went with floor trusses so that we can maximize our ceiling heights, but also just how wide we can make the basement. Well, I got a meeting at the showroom, so I gotta get back. So I try to start my day by waking up before notifications start hitting my phone. That way I have an opportunity to go to the gym or just sit and do absolutely nothing. But I find it very important to do nothing. But lately, there's always been something, and it's happened early in the morning.